Hello there, this is Andrew again, and I'm going to be showing you a little trick that you can use when you're searching inside of your Kali machine or your Linux machine, and you've got a folder that's got a ton of scripts or other files in there that you want to search through, and you want to find things in those files that are very specific. Uh, for example, let's say that you're on a pen test and you've discovered that a particular target is vulnerable to whatever, and maybe it's an SSH type vulnerability, and you've gone to your offline database that's located in your Kali here, and you get in here and you look at this, and somewhere in here is information on a payload or an exploit that you can use on your target to um, conduct your pen test. However, when you look at this, it's not really helpful at all. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to show you a quick way to search through all of these files to find particular information so that you can zero in on an exploit that will actually be helpful. So let's go down all the way back down here, clear, and we're going to use grep. And I've already got it queued up here. But I'll explain what we've got here. So we've got grep-rnw, R being recursive, so we're going to be going to the the folder specifically, and we're going to be going and looking at everything inside of it. N is going to be our number line, so I want to find exactly in that file where my pattern is, and W being it stands. We're matching an entire word, a whole word, when we're searching inside of these files. So I'm using this file here because I want to look at in this offline database for a script that contains SSH, right? And I could do this for anything. I could change SSH to Apache. I could change it to whatever I want, and grep's gonna search in this folder in every single file for a pattern that looks like this. So let's run it, and right away it came back with a lot of information. SSH was a good one because it's going to find a lot of stuff. But if I wanted to zero in more, then I could do that, right? And we can see here that SSH is mentioned in this script here, or it's mentioned in this text file here. We also have Python scripts in here. So this obscure number 40136.py mentions SSH. So if I wanted to go and dig deeper onto exploits in this folder, I can use grep to do that. So once again, there's the command. If you found this video helpful or you liked it, go ahead and like it and subscribe and share. All right. Thanks everyone. Bye.